What's up guys? Today I'm sharing a working mom weekend routine, tons of cleaning motivation, productive ways to prep for the week, and a healthy recipe your family will love. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing before you go.
I got your letter. Guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes.
As a working mom, the weekends are crucial, and these are the times when I really like to capitalize and make sure that I am prepping everything for the week ahead. So I had just gone food shopping and I'm putting all that stuff away, and then I'm going to start cleaning up around the house, making sure to get everything in order. So during the week, the only thing I need to do is kind of like quick tidy ups.
They keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now.
Before I start cleaning, I definitely need to put something in my stomach. I haven't eaten all morning, and this is one of my go-to smoothies: a little bit of spinach, a banana, some frozen berries, and then I do typically add in some like almond milk or coconut milk, but I didn't have any and I forgot to pick some up from the store, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. And then the last things I like to add in are a little bit of flaxseed and then some protein powder, and this is so good. Riley even likes it, so I would say that even a picky eater likes my smoothie.
Meant to be, even if it's hard to see, I'll try to let go. It's not easy, you know. Some things are not meant to be. Let's skip the apologies. Ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this 'cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now.
Whether you're a working mom or a stay-at-home mom, I would love to know if you guys have any particular routine that you follow over the weekend to really get your home prepped and ready for the week ahead. Let me know down in the comments.
That maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice, 'cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is bitter.
Nick just took Riley to the store to switch out some diapers that he picked up the other day. So it gives me the opportunity to quickly clean her room before nap time. And I also wanted to show you guys some adorable clothes that I found at Old Navy. Of course, I was going in there for one thing and left with 2 huge bags of stuff. And I can't show you guys this when she's around because she's going to want to put it on. So let me show you guys what I got. They have the cutest stuff. So I picked up 2 of these dresses. It was when you buy 2, they become $10. So I thought this was so adorable with the dinosaurs on it. And then I thought this was super, super girly. She is obsessed with dresses. So I know these are something she can literally just throw on, wear to school, or play around the house. And then these linen shorts, they had a ton of different colors. They were 50% off. So they were originally $12.99, so I got them for $6.99. I thought these were so cute. I don't think she has like a yellow or something like this in her wardrobe, especially for the summer. So I picked this one up, and then this adorable printed one. I think it is the cutest thing ever. I might go back and get the black, and there was a green one, like this army green as well. And then these jelly sandals, how cute are these? I remember when I was a little girl, I loved jelly sandals, and she loves them too. There was also like a white one with like a rainbow on it, so I will go back. These weren't on sale. They were $14.99.
He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue.
I feel like I am forever racing the clock, whether it's like, let me hurry up and clean Riley's room before nap time, or when she's down for a nap, I'm trying to clean the house and get everything prepped and ready. It's just a never-ending thing to do. Let me know if you guys ever feel the same way.
Well, the taste is bitter. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be 3 for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around.
Typically over the weekend, I like to do a quick cleanup in Riley's room, and then also make sure that we have enough diapers and wipes and everything like that. To make things even easier, I do also like to add them into these drawers, so they're just a quick grab and go rather than having to worry about trying to get them out of the boxes. And not to mention, it saves a ton of space.
Smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be 3 for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you.
While Nick puts Riley down for a nap, I'm going to grab her clothes and get those washed so I can fold them later on in the day. And then I'm going to start on dinner.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself.
So this is what I'm going to try for lunch today. My friend has literally raved about this cauliflower pizza, and I actually found this in the margarita pizza. For 1/3 slice, it's 320 calories, so it's not too bad. 4 total grams of sugar. So I am interested to see how this is.
You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
While the pizza was cooking, I figured I would start on dinner, and this was a Pinterest recipe. To be honest, when I don't have any inspiration or know what to cook, I always go to Pinterest. There's tons of different recipes that you can always try out, so that's why I love it. And today I'm going to be making a lemon garlic butter chicken and green beans skillet. Guys, this was so good because, you know, sometimes when you are testing out different recipes, you really don't know how they're going to be, but this one is definitely one I will make over and over again. I will leave the exact recipe link down below.
Sing along, sing along. So put your hands up. This is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel it too. Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we great and old.
Now that I think about it, I think a fun thing to do is everybody share one of your favorite recipes, whether it's Pinterest or one that was passed down, or literally anything you want down in the comments below. I think it's always fun to test out different recipes, so leave your favorite ones down below.
You. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup. I am definitely one who likes to clean up as I go rather than wait until the very end and then you have tons of dishes and everything is a mess. I just feel like it makes everything so much easier.
Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine but with complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me. I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and our worn out sneakers. When we were fine but with complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback. so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it. And you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay.
By this time, Riley was waking up from her nap, so I figured it's the perfect timing to start laying out all of her clothes. I have found that this has been so helpful for me in the morning because it's one less thing that I have to worry about. So I'm going to start picking out every outfit that she's going to wear for the week.
You're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired.
She is a little fashionista in the making and definitely knows what she does and does not like. So of course, she's going to help me pick out what she would like to wear for the week.
Yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it.
Riley is finally up from her nap, right? We took a 2-hour nap. Yeah. And I am going to be laying all of her clothes out, as you can see, all the way in the back. What I like to do is literally just lay out something she can wear every single day. So I'll put...
Minnie.
Yeah. So I will put about like 5 outfits aside. I don't particularly do like this is going to be on Monday, but it's just something I could grab during the week, and then I will set it over on her dresser the night before. So literally in the morning, all I have to do is just put her clothes on and get her dressed and ready to go. But now we are about to go downstairs and play dress up, right? Anna and Elsa, so that's what we're gonna go do.
Just watch me breaking your soul.